Welcome to Arizona, where the temperatures are hot and nothing wants to live. Not even plants. The dogs don't even want to come outside, barely. But if you have chickens, you might have started off to build yourself a custom coop like this. And then when it gets this hot, you're going, oh my god, my chickens are panting, puking on each other, everything else. You finally come up with the idea to put a fan here with a mister right here and a couple pans of water. And those pans of water are disgusting. I just cleaned this coop a couple days ago, but boy do they like standing in it. And when I check it with the temp gun, it's under 90 degrees. So these girls are all working hard right now. But man, as you guys can see, I mean, none of them are panicking. It's close to being 110 degrees outside right now, so I'm going to start posting more videos, but these pullets are about, they're getting close to being 5 months old. So hopefully they'll survive the summer heat. No, turkey, you're not coming out. Get back there. No, turkey. No, turkey, no. They're funny. But yeah, anyways, until we get back again, I'll let you know how it goes through the summer.